Hi. I'm here to talk to you about barbecue accessories video. The absolute best grilling accessories and BBQ cookout gifts. Don't cook a single steak until you watch this. Grilling seems so simple at first glance. Just like any cooking method, you'll need more than one accessory. Below are a few absolutely must-have grilling accessories. Long-handled utensils. These grill accessories help you keep your distance from the fire. Tongs. Grilling tongs lift cooked meats and manipulate the meat while grilling, without piercing the food. Basting brush. Use this utensil to apply barbecue sauces and rubs. Some sets will also contain items like a grill cleaning brush and a propane lighter that is used to light charcoal. Thermometer. Use this utensil for measuring the cooking temperature. Using a thermometer assures all food is thoroughly cooked. To make your barbecue go wow, I posted a free report telling all about how to use barbecue accessories. To get your copy, just click the link in the description below. If this helped, please subscribe and like this video before you leave. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.